What is the difference between a resume and a CV? The confusion is real. But don't worry, in this video I explain to you what are the key differences between a resume and a curriculum vitae or CV, why you should use one or the other, and when to use the resume versus a CV. Hey guys, Emilia here from emipowered, bringing you today the best tips and tools in how to win at life and level up your career. And hey, if you're new here, subscribe so that you don't miss any update. What is a resume? A resume is a one-page document straight to the point, created for the purpose of applying for a specific job. It usually covers the same areas as a curriculum vitae or CV, and for that reason, CVs and resumes are often confused. And if it makes it any better, resumes are many times referred to as a single-page CV. However, CVs are very in-depth documents that describe all your career and academic journey, step by step, giving the reader a comprehensive description of everything you have ever done in your life, work-wise and in academia. Did you know that curriculum vitae means story of your life? And as you might have guessed, these are often very long and extensive documents with several pages. So before I explain to you what is better to use, if a resume or a CV, let's just check on paper how are they different from each other. Let's spot the differences. So here's the CV and a resume on the left. Let me know in the comments below if you can tell the differences between the CV and the resume. And actually, which one do you prefer? You can also download these templates by using the link on the description down below. So what are the differences between the CV and the resume? Let's go one by one. In the CV, we have plenty of white space, which creates an uncluttered design, clear headings, differentiated sections, use of bullet points, and plenty of space to emphasize key skills and responsibilities. On the resume, we have smaller margins, clearly defined sections, and less space than on the CV. We also have combined sections that sometimes are separated on a CV. So which one is better to use, a resume or a CV? It totally depends on what your goal is. Resumes are the go-to format if you're job hunting, as they are a one-page, concise document which is best for the recruiter to analyze, stay focused, and keep interest. Imagine if you're applying for a role and you send your curriculum vitae 3 pages long to the recruiter, and every other candidate, they do exactly the same. That won't make their life any easy, and they'll probably lead the recruiter to reject those CVs. Last but not least, resumes are tailored to each specific job you're applying to, while CVs are comprehensive documents. Even though resumes are the best when you're applying for a job, CVs are typically required in certain countries, and they're mostly used for academic, research, and scientific jobs. And watch out, because some recruiters will ask you for your CV when they mean one-page CV. So always clarify. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you're team resume or team CV. I'm definitely team resume. And if you'd like to know how to make your own resume, check out my video right here.